Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Srinidhi Seatingly. I am a student of 2nd Sem Computer Science and Data Science Department. Currently I am pursuing my engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain about the topic assessing members of the structure. Assessing members of the structure is one of the topic in C programming. C programming is one of the basic program among all the programming language. In this presentation, now I am going to explain about the topics: introduction, definition of a structure, data types in C, assessing structure members, example of assessing structure members, assessing the structure members using dot operator, pointer, assessing arrays of structures, assessing structure members using TYPEDF, importance of assessing structure members. Let us see about the introduction. In this presentation, we will discuss assessing the members of a structure. Structures are ways to group related data together in C programming language. Assessing structure members allows us to retrieve or modify their values. Assessing members of a structure is a fundamental concept in programming. Structures allows us to grow, relate data together. By assessing the members of a structure, we can manipulate and retrieve data efficiency. Let us see about the definition of a structure. In C, a structure is user-defined data type that can hold multiple variables of different data types. A structure is declared by using struct keyword followed by a structure name. A structure is user-friendly data type in programming. It allows us to combine different types of variable using a single name. The variable within the structure are called members. Each member of a structure can have different data types. Then let us see about the data types in C or C++. Primary, there are three types like primary, derived, and user defined. In primary, they are like integer, character, boolean, floating point, double floating point, void character. In derived, function, array, pointer, reference. User defined, class, structure, union, enum, and type defined. Let us see about the topic assessing structure members. We can assess the individual members of a structure using the dot product. The dot product is called as structure member operator because it connects the structure variable and the member variable. Let us see about the syntax. Syntax is like struct underscore variable dot structure underscore member, where structure underscore variable is a variable of a structure type, while structure underscore member is the name of the member variable of a structure. Now let us move to an example of assessing structure members. Let us consider a structure called student with members name and age. To assess the name member of a student structure called std, we write std.name. To assess the age member using a pointer to the student structure, we write ptr narrow operator age. Now let us move to the topic assessing structure members using the dot operator. The dot operator is used to assess the member of a structure. The syntax for assessing a member is structure underscore name dot member underscore name. For example, if we have a structure called person with a member name, we can assess it as a person dot name. Let us see about the topic assessing structure members using pointers. Pointers can also be used to assess structure members. To assess the structure members using a pointer, we use the narrow operator. The syntax for assessing a member using a pointer, like pointer underscore name, is narrow operator member underscore name. Let us see one example of assessing structure members pointer. If we have a pointer to a student structure called PTR, we can assess the name member as PTR narrow operator name. Similarly, we can assess the age member as PTR narrow operator age and the grade member as PTR narrow operator grade. Now let us see about assessing array of structures. We have an array of a structure where each element is a structure. To assess the member of a specific structure within the array, we use the array index followed by the dot product. For example, if we have an array of students called students and we want to assess the name members of the student, we write it as student in square bracket 1 dot name. Now let us see one example of array of a structure. Suppose we want to store a details of 10 students. Do instead, if we declaring 50 new variables to store details of 10 students, we can declare an array of size 10 to store the details. For example, structure student, open the bracket. In the bracket, we will use integer of roll number, as we are using integer because roll number cannot be in a point. Next, character name, character address, character city. Now close the bracket and structure students is in the bracket 10. Now let us see about assessing structure members using type define. We can use the type define keyword to define a new name of a structure. This allows us to assess the structure members using the new name instead of the structure keyword. For example, if we define a type define of a structure using person, we can assess the member name as person.name. This is one of the example of structure type using type define. In type define, the structure car, it is one of the old data type. Now character engine, character fuel type, character fuel tank, cap, integer seat, cap, floating city, mileage. And close the bracket. Now car is now one of the new type. Int main, open the bracket, structure called C1. Now close the bracket. Now let us see about the importance of assessing structure members. Assessing structure members allows us to manipulate and retrieve data stored in a structure. It enables us to perform operation on specific members without affecting other members. By assessing structure members, we can create more efficiency and organized code. Like this is some of the topics I have covered about assessing structure members. Thank you one and all. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.